Today's salad is called loving lettuce with guacamole dressing. It's the second of the 4 free recipes I'm going to be doing from 50 Salads. This is the last of the Rawmunchies series. I hope you like it. I really can't wait to get a bite of this. I do this when I go to burrito places. I have myself a little treat. I just ask if they could give me some guacamole and lettuce. And obviously it's not exactly the same, but I kind of like this new invention and I hope you guys like it too. I really hope you guys like this recipe. Please subscribe. If you want to know more about the diet, there's Q&A videos, lots and lots of free recipes at rawmunchies.org. And I will see you in the next video.